Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Remember last week we drew our hands? Let's do it again, but this time we will start with paint and then draw. So take out your watercolors and a pen and your sketchbook, of course, and let's get drawing. Alright, so let's pick up some paint and draw the overall shape. So that means we are again not looking at any details, but we're just looking at the main shape. So basically what you're doing is draw the fingers and the palm of the hand, but it's really important to paint what you see and not paint what you think a hand looks like. And be quick, don't fiddle around, just a few strokes and you're done. And then you just need to let it dry. And once it's dry, then you can pick up your pen and look again at the shape. And you don't trace the paint that you just painted, but you use it sort of as a guideline, and it doesn't have to fit exactly. So this is also sort of a correction phase. So if you've been too sloppy, then you can just correct that with your pen lines. And again, here you can use the negative spaces while you are drawing. So keep looking at your subject while you are drawing all the shapes in. And when you think you're done, you can also add the wrinkles again and also maybe some shading with just simple hatching lines. And you can do that as elaborate as you want to or just leave it at all. And as you can see, it's really quick. It's a quick method to draw something that might feel a little bit intimidating or complicated. So this is a fantastic exercise. I hope you will try it. You can do it with all sorts of things. You know, you don't need to draw your hand. You can draw whatever you think is a little bit complicated. Maybe it's a chair or maybe it's a plant with a lot of leaves. Well, whatever it is that's around you and that you would like to tackle and draw, just throw down that paint, take a bright color and play around with your paint, splash it around, let it dry and then draw over it. It's just a fun effect, it's a fun way to draw, it's a playful way to exercise and practice your drawing skills. So I hope you will take this into practice into your sketchbook. And if you want more, like inspiration, more drawing techniques, more friends, being entertained, watch great videos, head on over to sketchbookschool.com because that's where you'll get it all. I'll see you next week.